His wife got scammed for over $2,000. Tomorrow morning we'll talk about that.
You girls ready to go in? I got the list and my keys. And we got the bags. What's wrong with it now? Okay. You can put it out in a minute, okay? I have to come and get you guys. I just went ahead and unpacked everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Aldi. Over here, we got some baby carrots, and I also got a thing of strawberries. We got some mini cucumbers and some mild cheddar cheese. Back here, we got some cabbage for a recipe and some red seedless grapes. We got some celery for a recipe. I got some pretzel thins to snack on. Back here, we got some fruit rounds. My younger daughter requested some fruit rounds, so we got that. We got some golden round crackers, and we got some saltines for a recipe or for dinner one night. And then I got 3 different cake mixes, because I'm gonna have to make a few different cakes. I got a vanilla one and then 2 devil's food cake mix. Got some baked cheese crackers. These were actually really good. I got these last time, so I got more of those. I got a dozen of eggs. We have eggs on hand, but I'm gonna be making breakfast burritos and we need more eggs for that. I got 2 things of tortillas, 2 8-count bags for breakfast burritos. Back here, I got some corn dogs and some protein waffles for my kiddos for breakfast, just for something different. We got some ham, got a thing of Italian sausage, got some vanilla bean ice cream, some cottage cheese. Back here, we got some of these pancakes and sausage, like corn dog looking things. My younger daughter really likes it, so I got more. I got some steak fries, and then over here we got some onion rings. I figured those would be really good in the air fryer. We got some wide egg noodles, 2 of them for 2 different recipes. I got these snack selects. The chicken juice leaked on them, which is disgusting, so I had to rinse it off. That's why the package is a little bit soggy, but I'll take off the package before I put it in the refrigerator. I got a thing of white bread and some chicken. Last couple things over here. This was on sale. I use this, I guess, pretty often, often enough to get one whenever it's on sale. So I was pretty excited about that. I got some sweet tea, some mustard. We literally have 0 mustard, and I went to put mustard on my hot dog the other night and we didn't have any, so I got some from Aldi. I got 2 things of rich and creamy chocolate icing for the cakes and a thing of vanilla icing. Got 2 things of shells and cheese. These were on sale for 10 cents cheaper, so I got a couple to put in my pantry. I got some Parmesan cheese, We got some Gushers. This was my older daughter's treat, so I got her those. Got a big thing of chicken broth. And I got 2 cream of chicken soups. I use cream of chicken in a couple different of my recipes that I make, so I just got, I'm gonna use one for recipe and I got one to have on hand, and then I also got some all-purpose flour. I'm gonna try to make my own homemade bread. I've made it before, but I've never used all-purpose flour, so we're gonna give it a shot because that's all Aldi had. And then I saw this from Aldi. This is a collapsible basket. And this is what it looks like. I just thought it was really cute. This was $10. For dinner this week, I'm gonna be making cabbage and noodles. I'm gonna be making breakfast burritos, and then hamburgers and fries, and a chicken noodle soup, and that's what I'm gonna be using the saltine crackers for. We needed some like produce and dinner things. This wasn't a humongous haul, but at the same time, I got a lot of things for dinner. I got 4 different dinner options and some lunch food and some produce. Altogether, I spent $136. It would have been a little cheaper had I not got that basket, and my kiddos got a couple scratch off things for $5. So I spent $20 more, so it would have just been around $100, $110, something like that for just the food. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this all away.